let's try this. Okay, so okay, I don't know what I just... Oh gosh. Oh god, oh no. Okay. Okay, I found a portal, I guess. What was that? Oh, why? Okay, so the left and right triggers tilt the world. Is there a port? Okay, so there's a map. Oh wow, this map is gigantic. Okay. That's good to know. Did I? Almost. Oh, we've got new music. That's cool. Oh. Okay, so that's not... Oh, that is something I can stand on. Oh, gosh. Okay, so I know a little bit about this game because I've watched the speedrun. It does not help at all. Well, I know I need to collect these CDs, and that's about it. Oh gosh. Okay, I am glad I had put a photosensitivity warning in the title, because this is a lot. Oh, does that actually affect the gravity a bit? Okay, so I've got 100. And then they started flashing. Does that mean... God. So does that mean... Okay, so the portal's opened up. Okay, so I've got to collect CDs until the portal opens up. I think it's safer if I just constantly... Oh, wow. Okay, we got loop-to-loops then. So if... Oh, and here's the portal. Nice.